Like when engineer said, this road is behind the schedule by 14 months, like he has said. So we have given specific instructions to the contractor that he must go by his words, because he has said by December he will have completed the whole road, which is a stretch of 106 kilometers. So what we are saying is we do not want any excuses. The rain season cannot be given as an excuse. So the road must be delivered in time. So I want to request the contractor to go by his words, and he has made a commitment before us that come December he will have completed the whole road. We were able to establish the completion rate. We were here a few months back and the rate was 0.3. So today we are not even able to determine the actual percentage. But our instructions that the road must be completed by December, going by the word of the contractor. We'll be back here again in a month's time to find out the actual progress on the ground. So for us, there should be no excuses. The road must be done as per schedule. Asante. If completed, the road will open up this area. Shamata is, Badayas is a new sub-county which was created sometime last year. So with the completion of this road, the area will be opened up and there will be development in this area. Yes.
Yeah, thank you. Today we've come to visit this road. It's called Mairokumi to Karia Mukaka. It's a Kera project. It's 50 kilometers, being undertaken by China Railway number 10. We've had several challenges on the road. The contractor is behind schedule by almost 14 months. He's done much. But like you've heard from him, he's promised now that he has all the resources. He's promised us that he will be able to deliver 2 milestones, that is 10 kilometers by December. He has 2 projects around. The other one is 56 kilometers. And he has also promised to deliver 2 milestones there, that is 5.6 kilometers. That means 11.2 kilometers by December. So I think what he's saying is that if you come here in December, we will be able to drive on 20-something kilometers he'll have delivered. He is here. Percentage is very retro because what he has done on the first road is about is less than 1% because he's only done site clearance and very minimal earthworks. The other one he's only started on site clearance and no earthworks at all. So the percentage for the other one is even less than 1%. I think it's 0.5%. This one is about 1.3% progress.